Okay, I'm going to have you find the missing side length and the area of these composite shapes. One thing I would like you to do is to grab the toolbox off the front cart in front of the classroom. In there you'll find patty paper and highlighters. I would recommend grabbing a highlighter. So go ahead and stop the video and let everybody do that. Once you have your highlighter, I want you to highlight the side of your rectangle. I'm not very good at this. That is missing its measure. And then we're going to highlight the parts that are parallel to the missing number. So you should be able to see that this piece of 1 centimeter and this piece of 3 centimeters put together equals the length on the bottom. Now, one of the things you could do is take your patty paper and trace these lines and then double check that they match the measurement on the bottom. And they should match because they're parallel on a rectangle, and parallel sides of a rectangle have the same measure. So if the top is a 1 plus 3, that tells me the bottom has to be a 4. So that'll help me when I want to find the area. I'm just going to change color to help it be a little bit easier to follow. So now that I have all the measurements, I need to find my area. I can do it 2 different ways. I need to cut it into 2 rectangles. I could choose to cut it this way. Maybe that should be darker. That's not very dark. More blue. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So the length on that is 2 and the width is 1. So this would be a 2 times 1 equals 2. This one, my length is 3 and my width is 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And then I would add my 2 areas together to get an answer of 11. I'm going to erase that and show you a second strategy that you could use. Just get rid of everything. Now I do know this is 4 because we just already figured that out. I could also cut my rectangle this way, which means for this rectangle, my length is 4, my height is 2. 2 times 4 equals what, everybody? That is an 8. And then on my top rectangle, I'll just change color just for kicks. The top rectangle is a 1 by 3. That's probably too light. So 1 times 3 equals 3. And of course, we have to add these 2 together. 3 plus 8 is 11. So that means we did it correctly. I need you to finish the front and the back. I have a more challenging worksheet that you could work on when you finish, or you finish any work from yesterday or Monday, and you get on extra math and work on that. All right, have a great day. Be good for the sub.